In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Constant Contact. This is a useful skill if you're looking to add a personal touch to your email campaigns and make them more visually appealing to your audience. Let's dive right in and explore how to accomplish this effortlessly. First, you'll want to start by opening up your email editor in Constant Contact. Once you're in, you'll notice several tabs at the top. To begin modifying the overall email background, click on the Design tab. This is where you can take control over the aesthetic elements of your email, ensuring it aligns with your branding and messaging goals. Upon clicking the Design tab, your next step is to focus on the outer background. This section allows you to change the background that forms the foundation of your entire email layout. Here, you have a couple of options to choose from. You might immediately notice that you're directed to the Background Patterns tab. This area offers a collection of pre-installed patterns that you can easily apply to your email background. Simply browse through the choices and select the one that resonates with your theme or message. These patterns serve as ready-made options that can give your emails a more polished and cohesive look. However, if you'd prefer not to use a pattern, there's the option to select No Pattern. This enables you to keep the background simple and uncluttered, which might be particularly useful if you want your content to stand out more prominently. Alternatively, if you want something truly unique, consider opting for the Select Custom option. When you choose this, you'll be redirected to the Insert Image window. This is a fantastic feature if you have a specific image in mind. You'll be given the choice to pull from images you already have in your library or from an image URL. Simply click on the desired image and confirm your selection by clicking Import afterward. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'll be sticking with a background pattern from the list. The process is seamless and intuitive, allowing you to quickly enhance the visual appeal of your emails with minimal effort. Remember, changing the background can be a powerful way to capture attention, so consider experimenting with different options to see what best suits your campaign. And there you have it. You've now successfully changed the background in Constant Contact. Whether you opt for a preset pattern, no background, or a custom image, you've got the tools to make your emails stand out. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps elevate your email marketing game to new heights. Happy customizing!